You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals 9. Let's solve it step by step. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Add m to both sides. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the m. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3/4. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is m equals 9.